Hi guys, welcome back again to Kumam TV. This is Bankboy who brings you always lectures considering or concerning trading online, and today I'm going to talk about selling online. In case you're not yet, hit on the red button, please subscribe right now, and don't forget to comment, give a like in that video, in that it helps us pushing away forward. So let us make money together. Let me take you to the trade view right now, analyzing when do you have to sell your product, or what do we actually mean by selling. So let me get to my graph chart. Yeah, so I'll be showing this. So when do you have to sell? Always selling is the red graph, like where I'm pointing here, and this is the period whereby the graph chart slopes in down. So when the graph is sloping down, this is the time the graph is sloping from this point A to point B. That is selling. So when do we need to sell? When do we need to sell? Let me show you something. Let me get this line and show it to you. That is point A to point B. All this from up to down, that is selling in online trading. So in online trading, if you want to make more money, you just need to learn more about selling and trading. When do you have to sell, or when do you have to trade? So let us get back to our chart. When do you have to sell? The best analysis I took, or I have right now, about when do you have to sell is when you get a graph is stable or a flat range. You can have a view, like, let me zoom in here. Let me bring this point. I think anyone can be able to see this. So this is point A, this is point B. Let us give it a color, red. Yeah, this is red. So red, this is from point A. Let us put point A. Yes, that is point A. Point A to point B. This is point B. So let us mark it as B. We reduce the font. That is too small, too small. So to point B, this is point B, guys. This is point B. This is A. So from point A, this point A, from point A to point B. Let me bring the graph closer. In case you're not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing right now. And I'm teaching you the best way of earning online, make $1,000 in a day. So from point A to point B, take your time studying the graph. When the graph is at point A, it will keep on moving upwards, coming backwards, moving upwards, getting backwards, and the moment you find it clipping on point B, making this a flat base, you can see it's a flat base. This is a flat base. When point A and B is a flat base, please just put your trade, make sure your trade is coming that one. So that is the right time you have to sell your product online. So that is the best time you need to trade online. So the moment you see point A and B is a flat line, just sell. It's the time for selling. And selling, that's why I had to mark this as a red label, because selling is always a red label and buying is a blue label. So when we order for a sell at point B now, since point A and B has already given us a flat base, is the right time for us to buy the sell. And this trade chart is one of yesterday analysis. So let us look again. Let us look for another flat base, the best time to sell. Boom, we have another part here. In case you've not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing right now. So let me mark these points again. This is point C. This is point C and point D. So this point C and point D, let us make our trade line point A to B. Hope everyone can be able to see that. Everyone can be able to see this. So from point C to point D, as I told, the moment you see a flat line, a flat trade, here it had to rise up, gave us a flat trade between C and D. The moment it stops at D, just order for the sell. The sell is red, that's why today I'm using the lines to be red. The points are really red for today. They're all red. So let us give another analysis on a flat base. Now this flat base, we talk about F. This is our point F. And let us give another point G. Point G. The moment you see a flat base, a slanting flat base, just know it is the best time for you to sell your product. And now let me draw another red line showing you or illustrating this. So if now you consider from point F to G, the moment we reach G, order for a sell. So it had to rise up slowly. Still, that was buying period. Now if you have to compare this length or the trading from this point G to C, and you compare from D to, let me give this as Z, D to Z, and I have to compare D to Z. Let me give another trading line from D to Z. This time let us give a color green. I hope everyone can see green. So if you are to compare that G and C, assuming we came from F to G, when we stopped at G, we ordered for sell. Now we are selling the euros. Then G to C, check the distance from G to C, you find like that is like +5. And C we went to D, we got a flat base. Imagine still our selling is still in an order. Then it dropped from D to Z. That is selling. That is the best time of selling. The moment you see your graph, if you see your graph is really on a flat base, just know it is the right time of selling. And we promise you're going to make more cash. Just keep on subscribing, keep on watching our videos, and don't forget to give us a comment in the comment section. This is Bankboy bringing to you about Forex trading, and also this video is always being sponsored by Xnest. Xnest.com is an online trading company which gives you that brokerage between the bank and the trader. So let us continue, and this also it is being sponsored by Forex Bulls. Forex Bulls is an online academy where you can get more about this. In case you want to sign up right now, please get us in the link in the section below, in the comment section below. So let us keep on looking for another flat trading line, another flat trading line. So let me look for another flat trading line. So we are still looking for another flat trading line. So another flat trading line is here. So let us mark this point as a P. I'm showing you what really took place yesterday in the market, and it applies. Yesterday is not, with trading you relate the past and the present because it's more likely to happen. So let us see. Our flat base was P to J, and the moment we had P to J, that is the time we placed an order for selling, the red icon. So let me change my thing to red. Always it's red, that is selling. So if we are to analyze now the point between P and J, then let us cut a straight line again, cut across here, right? So let me give another point here as O. So here O. So from P to J, we got another flat line, right? Then now it's the right time for sell. We placed our sell at J. So it had to take a rising slanting end to O. Then if you compare the distance from O to where this trade line is, you find that our sell is more higher than the buy. Then you compare from here, from this point. No, lettering is always good, up to H. If you have to consider from D to H, just check this gap from O to the red line, then from the red line to H, it will really made more sales. The moment you see the trading line or the chart, the trading line is always on a flat base that is slanting or rising, but on a flat base it is the right time for you to sell. This is Bankboy bringing to you trading lectures and tutorials on YouTube. And always don't forget to subscribe and like our video. So let us proceed looking for, we are looking for the flat base on our TradeView. TradeView is a website which is free of charge, and it's a website that gives you a record of what really happened in the past with the trading companies, how the Forex was trading. So today we have been comparing the euros and the dollars, and it's the most favorite people like trading about. So I'm still looking for my flat bases. So let us check on this flat base again. Let me give this letter as S. From S to, let us give a letter here. From S, I'm giving a letter to V. Let me give another letter here as V. So from S to V, the moment the trade chart line went to or reached S and it stopped at V, that means it has already given me a flat base. So this is the right time for me now to buy my cash to trade online. So the moment I buy from V, just check how the graph keeps on decreasing. Came here, went on a flat base again. Then after going to the flat base, again we picked from here. Imagine all this sell, all this. Just check this profit. Just check this profit at this point. Let me give this point as Y. Let us give the point as Y. So just check this point as Y. Check this point at Y, guys. At Y. We placed the order at V. This was V. We got a sell. We went to flat rate. And the flat rate does not count. That one there is no charge. So it is a continuation of the cells. Then we sold until V, until Y. From V to Y. That was too much profit, guys. In case you want to get the signals of the right time of trading, please just subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep on following. We had been offline for a short time. We had been analyzing how the chart we had been having. When the month is closing, trading does not take place. So I had to bring this when the trading is really stable. Stay tuned on Kumam TV, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Let us look for another flat base. You see, this is not a flat base. This is slanting. This is slanting. It's never a flat base. And you see also here, it's never a flat base. This is also slanting, going up, showing that it is really heading upwards. I don't know, 15. So guys, today I brought you about when do you have to sell on trading. This video was sponsored by xnest.com. Xnest is a place that gives you 100% bonus on your first deposit. Don't forget to subscribe. So today the video was mostly about selling. When do you have to sell online trading or in forex trading? Thank you so much for watching Kumam TV. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Let's meet in the next video.